YouTube commented, "Congratulations on my 1 million channel views post."
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out.
Valentine's Day aesthetic. Oh,
I got her the one with the 3 different colors because it's our 3rd Valentine's.
you're so cute.
Gotta think deep, boys.
I got this for $12.99 and it goes with the aesthetic of this propagation vase that I will have linked down below. But we're gonna find a cute home for her. And it's just a weekend of good vibes because I got, drumroll please, a desk chair, you guys. No more fold up chair family reunion style. Okay.
Okay, sorry, I was trying to spin.
Well, actually, I really want to hang this disco ball. My disco ball is now up, back in action. I used to have my disco ball up in my old rooms. If you're an OOG of this channel, you know that. Definitely goes with the aesthetic more. I love it. She's gorgeous. I love her. This is also called Self-Care Baby. Stream my self-care collab. But look how cute. I love propagation vases. So this, wow. I'm actually just in love. I spend so much time here that I think it's important to make our desk areas, office areas, room, all the above, a vibe. I want to be complete with my little disco ball. Oh, I'm honestly living for it. I have a plant pot coming in soon. It's going to complete this.
Gotta place it with the rose. It's a cool vase. It's perfect.
It's so pretty. Cameron also got us some immunity shots from Whole Foods.
Not the ones that taste like orange juice. The ones that have turmeric. Because it gives it that spice feeling. It makes it feel really clean.
Yeah.
It's great. You gotta shake it up or it'll be too spicy.
Yeah, this has cayenne pepper in it. I love a good kick in my ass.
Oh, this has cayenne pepper?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's a health shot. I shouldn't.
Breathing is painful. Come at me. Come at me.
Wow. My ears are on fire. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Okay, we have to record with them right here for the podcast. Oh wait, this will be such a cute little picture of like recording for becoming an influencer. You guys, this is our setup for recording Becoming an Influencer podcast on Valentine's edition. I'm so excited, but it just looks so cute. So thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a 5-star review because someone not having a good day is far more likely to leave a bad one. Make sure to follow Becoming an Influencer podcast on Instagram at Becoming an Influencer podcast. That, I couldn't spell it out for you.
Do good, be good.
Be better.
It's awesome.
Do better.
Happy V-Day.
Whoa, Cameron. One day, soon, this year, I'm going to have a podcast editor and we're going to have cute little sounds and we're going to have a new
like an intro
Abby.
movie, intro song.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Here you are now on Becoming an Influencer. Becoming an Influencer is coming to a town near you.
Pop made chili. A good winter dish. It is like 30 degrees outside, maybe 20 degrees at this point. Texas is having a winter storm. We got the fireplace. I got Ma these flowers. She loves them.
When I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you, I can't imagine if I stayed back. What would happen if I never found you?
You guys, it snowed. Chico, it snowed. Wow. Chico, go outside. Oh my god. That is so cute. Oh wow. Is your trunk open? Look at the driveway.
It's snowing in Texas.
Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh how
Shout out Nespresso. Uploading today's Valentine's episode. Alright guys, wow, I look crazy. I just got done uploading YouTube videos. This is a pork roast starter kit. Remove the vegetables and meat from packages. Place in 2 to 4 quart slow cooker. Alright, well, I guess we just put this bad boy in the slow cooker.
Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes. I'm left in shame alone.
I want to show you guys the sports bra I got yesterday from Ross. $7. Self-care, baby. I am going to blow dry my hair, and my grandma has the raved about blow dry tool, and now we're here. Yeah, I wanted to take a Valentine's Day picture outside in the snow, so I did my hair, but I don't think I'm going to wear makeup because I burnt my face with retinol the other day, and if you can tell, it's like very red and purple still, so I don't want to put makeup on it. I think it would like not be good for it. I only have like cocoa butter moisturizing chapstick basically on it right now. I learned my lesson with retinol, and I also learned my lesson with putting more face care products on a burnt face from retinol. Alright, the Velcro hair roller was a vibe. It's a vibe. Today's a really exciting day because I hit 1 million channel views on Amanda Jewel, and I am just so thankful. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. Your view means literally the world to me, and it's only up from here, okay? I'm not gonna give up on my dreams. I hope that my videos in some way inspire you or motivate you to live your best life and to remember that there's no such thing as a life better than yours. And I'm feeling just so grateful. It's absolutely beautiful outside. The snow is immaculate. And yeah, I'm gonna go cook some lunch. Come with me. Thank you again. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, stream all my other videos, stream my podcast. Okay, I'll stop.
Tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good. Keep my covenant with you. No longer will I.
Okay, it's truly just not one of my videos if I don't have to clean my room, so. Ta-da! It's a little better. I'm about to take Chico outside. It's gonna be so cute. I cannot wait. Also, I wrote a to-do list in my journal last night. And, oh, okay. I did wake up. I did eat. Did make coffee. Did not do that. 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 I did do that. I did do that. I have started that. I do have good vibes. Not do that. Maybe. Did not. Cool. I'm kind of killing it. Make his pockets hurt. Do 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 do. My dad just sent me money for Valentine's Day. I'd like to say I manifested it because I did not think he was going to send me money. But it's helping pay for this chair, so. Oh boy. It is cold. It's so nice though. Wow. It's so cute out here. Chico! Chico, come here! Chico! 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 What are you doing? Okay. Mom, would you like a cookie? Would you like a cookie? Thank you. You're welcome. There you go. You're welcome. Right, Chico. Would you like a cookie?
Yeah. Which one am I getting? Be mine.
I tried. officially used up my Bath & Body Works candle. Oh, so cute. You know the drill. Link down below. Okay. I'm going to watch some YouTube and put up my dirty clothes. Put up my clean clothes, not my dirty clothes. Oh my god. Alright, you guys. It's time to officially journal. So, I've been reading this book by Gabrielle Bernstein, The Universe Has Your Back. I absolutely recommend it. It's changed my life. But there are some journal prompts in there that I have put off doing. So, I'm going to do it now. Okay, I just got done rough editing this vlog and it is Sunday, Valentine's Day. That's a pretty big deal for me. I have a video on how to get an internship that I'm also working on. I don't know which video is going to go up first. I feel like the internship one needs to go up first, but I'm almost done editing the Valentine's Day one. I don't know. Either way, you're going to be seeing this far after Valentine's Day, so there's really no rush. But I did want to let you guys know that today my best friend Jules came out with a new song called Tub of Lonely, and you should stream it. It's on all platforms. I'll have it linked down below as well. But I also was on the set with her release photos, and we got to go to the Dreamhouse in Dallas and just enjoy the clips that I got back in January before the song was released. Today we are on the set of Jules' new music dropping on February 14th, Tub of Lonely. Are you kidding? She manifested that, truly. So yeah, this place is so cute.
Woke up this morning, I've been sleeping, my eyes, thought of you on my mind.
Alright, you guys, it is quite the storm right now. I love it. Snow, you're welcome in Texas anytime. But not all the time, because I do need to leave my house eventually. Alright, to end off this spectacular evening. Hello. My first pork roast. Just when I thought it couldn't get any better, YouTube commented, congratulations on my 1 million channel views post. Thank you. Bye.
Hi guys.
So I'm thankful for you and I'm thankful for you. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and stream Jules' Tub of Lonely, stream my podcast Becoming an Influencer to listen to our relationship advice. And 3, thank you for 1 million channel views.
1 million, baby. Mwah.